Hello everyone, it's Alfred here again with another video. This time we have the Icon Professional Hollow Shaft Nut Drivers in both the Metric and Standard. They both come in a 7-piece set. On the left here we have the Metric side. You can see the tray for the Metric is in black. The sizes that come with the Metric nut drivers are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 millimeters. For the standard SAE set, it comes, as you can see, as with the red tray. And the sizes that come with the 7-piece nut drivers for standard is 3/16, 1/4, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2 inch. Model number for the Metric, it is NDSM7. And model number for the SAE is NDSS7. Again, they both come in a 7-piece set. Here are the side angles for both. And again, it's just a text of what they are, or what it says in the front. In the back, here is some more information of the actual nut drivers. They're both pretty much essentially the same. The only difference is the tray. The SAE comes with a red tray and the standard comes with a black tray. I will go ahead and just focus on the box here on the standard. Again, the nut drivers is tough, durable, polished chrome, prevents corrosion and grease buildup, precision forge for a perfect fit, chrome vanadium steel. So you can see the nut drivers have their markings on the steel there. Force, again, for high torque, hollow shaft for removing nuts for longer struts. So if you have a fastener, in this example, if it's 8 inch and it's longer, it's hollow in there. So the actual nut can actually, you have a little bit of range there. So if you have a longer stud, this will work fine. Oversized ergonomic design delivers secure grip, increased torque, and maximum comfort. So the handle grip is a little thicker. It is comfort grip. The red here where it says Icon, it is more of a harder plastic, and then the black rubberized piece is like a softer, rubberized material. Polished steel, chrome finish with corrosion resistance, easy wipe off, chemical resistant handles, and at the base or at the bottom of the nut drivers, it will actually tell you the size in millimeters for the Metric. And then for the SAE, it will let you know in standard size. Both these products are, they are designed by Icon in the United States and manufactured in Taiwan. To verify, it is the same for the Metric side, designed by Icon USA, manufactured in Taiwan. They both have lifetime warranty. So what I will do is I will go ahead and take them out of the box, and I will be right back. Okay everyone, so here are the nut drivers out of the box, and you can see here are their respective trays. The Metric here is in black. The trays show the sizing of the nut driver. And same thing for the SAE. Here's the 3/16 all the way down to the 1/2. Picking them up, they do feel very substantial, very heavy for a nut driver. I have another pair of nut drivers, but this one feels definitely more substantial, more heavy duty. Here are the markings at the bottom of the nut driver. So in case you do place them in a cart when they're facing down, you can clearly see the sizing there for the nut driver. The ergonomics is definitely like the Icon screwdrivers, where this is a rubberized material with the texture here for more torque. You can get more grip. And this is a harder plastic where the red is. Here's a marking on the steel for this one in particular. This one is 7/16. Here is the hollow nut driver. So if you do have a screw or longer fastener, definitely has some room for it to go down ways here in the steel. I mean, there's not much to it, right? I mean, they're nut drivers, but I definitely enjoy nut drivers because for me, they come very handy taking off air filter covers or like little bolts things that I don't have my impact tool, just go ahead and get a nut driver for a fastener, and it makes the work a lot easier. In my case use. So anyways, here is the first look and unboxing of the Icon nut drivers. If you want to see anything else regarding these tools, let me know, but it's pretty straightforward. Just wanted to show you the unboxing of what it comes with, what they look like. The grip, all sizes are the same sizes as far as the handle. So I know sometimes the 6mm to 12, it can be different sizes, but these are all consistently the same. Same thing with the SAE. The only difference is the thickness of the steel here. So here is the difference between the 6 and the 12. As you can see, it's a lot thicker, obviously, because it's a bigger nut driver for bigger fasteners. But there you go, guys. There's a quick look. Alrighty, y'all. Thanks you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and if you want to see any other videos, just let me know. Post them in the comments, and I will go ahead and upload. Thanks, y'all.